So, Officer Smith, the officer that just pulled, is this your boyfriend, husband?
This is my husband.
Okay, pulled your husband out because he feels that he might be under the influence of alcohol or something like that, okay? So he's taking him out. He's going to run him through some tests just to make sure he's good to drive. And then
He's okay to drive.
Okay, where are you guys coming from?
Where were you coming from?
Yeah.
We're coming from downtown.
Downtown?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you guys just hanging out and you guys are heading home, or?
We're just heading home.
Okay. Anything happen on the drive or anything like that? No?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Has he had anything to drink time?
No, he hasn't.
Okay. Do you mind if I get your driver's license from you?
Of course. No, I can drive this truck home.
If you want to drive this truck home, we're going to have to run you through a field sobriety test. But I already can tell right now you're not going to pass. So can I get your ID?
Well, what is my boyfriend going through?
Say it again?
What is my boyfriend going through?
He's being arrested right now for DWI.
Serial is clear, man. Copy, thanks.
Don't go into those people's yard.
Oh my God, how is it?
128.
Mercedes, do you want to ride home?
No.
Go ahead.
What are you going to do? Because you're too drunk to be sitting here. I can't leave you here. So what are we going to do? I'm trying to help you. I've only been nice to you and you're not being nice back.
27.
Well, if you want to be nice, help me find my phone.
Okay, can we go back to the truck to find your phone?
47, just one break.
My phone's right here. What do you mean? Coming out my phone.
1972,
Okay, well your ride is driving off, so we're running out of options.
Oh, okay, come on.
I'm not going in the weeds. Come out of the weeds.
Extremely intoxicated passenger that's trying to walk in the cold after the
Weeds. Dude. Ugh. Can you help me?
Are you going to be nice?
No, I'm mean.
Okay. Well, why would you want to be mean?
No, I'm gonna be nice, of course.
Oh, come on. Now you're going to make me fall in the weeds.
Sorry, I'm really sorry.
Okay, come on.
You're the best. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the truck where it's warm. Let's do that. Let's go back to the truck so we can get your phone. And your purse. You left your purse.
I don't care.
Well, you're going to need that. Here, hold on.
Will you help me?
Put your shoe on. Okay, let's go back to the truck so we can sit down. Let's go. Come on. I'm going to help you.
No, you're not.
Why would I not want to help you?
Look at me.
What's wrong with you?
Look at me in my eyes.
What?
Look at me in my eyes.
I am looking at you in the eyes. Let's go so I can help you get out of the cold. It's freezing out here.
And I'm out of the cold.
Do you have family that lives around here that'd be able to pick you up? Let's look over here. Don't fall. Let's take a seat.
Let me have a ride home.
Do you have family?
Dominic isn't here.
Dominic. Who's Dominic?
Who's Dominic?
Is that who you have?
The man you just arrested. Wow. 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 And I'll remember that.
So do you have family to pick you up or not?
When you have family to arrest you, I'll remember that. Where are you right now? Where are you right now?
Let's go back over here, okay? I don't want you to trip in the... You know where that Murphy's gas station is?
Yeah. Oh.
I can see it.
Hey, don't. You have
I'm checking. Yeah, I'm towing the vehicle.
Come here. Come here.
I'm towing the vehicle.
Come
That is
here.
the reason why I'm doing an inventory.
Listen.
I don't need
Listen.
it.
show me your search warrant.
Listen, I'm trying to avoid you getting arrested for being disorderly. Okay, let me do my job.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we're gonna wait for your ride. I don't want to arrest you.
Please,
Do you understand?
You can stick on the gas station.
That's it. Just like to put Jolie. Here, I got it. That's it. Ma'am, she's gonna be arrested for disorderly. That's twice that she's tried to struck us. Okay, so at this time she is gonna be arrested. Okay.
Let's go.
What's your number?
I'm Officer Gomez.
Take a seat.
Officer Gomez, what's your number?
Take a seat.
What's your number?
Take a seat.
What's your number?
So. No. You're okay. You're okay. It's not your fault. So they stopped her. They stopped Dominic. We arrested him. We're trying to keep her under control. She takes off, runs, and falls in the weeds. We help take her out. While I'm talking with you the first time, my partner's trying to inventory the vehicle so we get it towed.
Yeah.
She runs in there and throws my partner out of the way. So we give her a break, we give you back, talk to her. While we're talking with you, she goes to slam the door on us again while we're standing in the truck. So we can't at this point. We've given her too many chances.
Okay.
What I can do for you is I can ask her if she's willing to talk to me, if you can take her purse and stuff.
Okay.
So
What do I? She has work in the morning. What do I need to do?
I would
How
just,
can I get her out?
to be honest, she's probably gonna have to see a judge. There's not gonna be a bond or anything on this.
Monday.
Why am I arrested?
Why were you arrested?
Why am I arrested?
Told you battery on a police officer and disorderly.
Disorderly on a police officer?
No, I said battery on a police officer.
How?
So when you ran back in the truck and pushed my partner, that's battery.
No, it's okay. I get paid the big bucks too.
Yeah? For what?
For better than you are. I mean, like
Probably.
Yeah, exactly. Like you have to like deal with people like.
Like you?
Oh yeah, like me. Oh yeah, like me. I'm sure.
Yeah, I deal with people like you all the time.
Mercedes was charged with 2 counts of battery upon a peace officer and 2 counts of disorderly conduct.